Once your listing is active in Matrix, you'll be able to add open house dates. And this video is a quick walkthrough of how to manage your open houses. After selecting a listing from the input page, there will be an option labeled Open Houses. Click to open the form, then add the open house details. Set the open house status to yes, then select the open house type. Public open houses will be syndicated out to listing portals if the listing's internet yes or no field is set to yes. Broker open houses will only be available to agents and brokers in the MLS and in any corresponding back office tools. Next, add the date and time to complete the required information. You may add comments or a virtual tour URL as well. If there will be more than one open house, click More to enter info about any other dates. Once you submit the open house, the upcoming open house dates will be listed behind the Open House tab on the 360 property view of your listing. It's important to note that the open house may not display immediately after you make this change. I recommend clearing the browser cache and reloading the page if you aren't seeing that change. Also, be mindful that only the soonest open house displays on the listing tab, but all upcoming open houses can be seen on the Open House tab. If you have questions that did not get answered in this tutorial, email mls@cvrmls.com for support.